Welcome to this hands-on lab, where we'll learn how to orchestrate a complete data ingestion pipeline on AWS. By the end of this exercise, you'll understand how to stream real-time data with Amazon Kinesis, deliver it to Amazon S3 using Kinesis Data Firehose, and even push data directly to Firehose without using a Kinesis stream as an intermediary. Let's start by navigating to the Kinesis console. Choose Data Streams, then click Create Data Stream. We'll select Provision Mode and set the shard count to 1, which is sufficient for our demo. Click Create Data Stream to finish. Once the data stream is created, we're ready to publish records to it using a Python script. This script uses the Boto3 SDK to send 10 JSON records to a Kinesis data stream named ML Streaming Input. Each record includes a unique event _ID, a timestamp, and a randomly generated value between 1 and 100. The records are sent one at a time using the put_record method, and we print the response after each request. Let's run the script now. After publishing, we can open the data viewer in the Kinesis console to verify that our records were successfully ingested. And as you can see, the data has been published to the stream without any issues. Now let's move on to delivering this streaming data to Amazon S3. We'll create a Kinesis Data Firehose delivery stream and configure it to use the Kinesis data stream we just created as its source. In the Kinesis Data Firehose section, click Create Firehose Stream. Set the source to Amazon Kinesis Data Stream and the destination to Amazon S3. Provide a name for the delivery stream, for example, Stream to S3, and select the Kinesis data stream you created earlier as the source. Next, choose the S3 bucket where you want the data to be delivered. The default settings are fine for this demo, so let's go ahead and create the Firehose delivery stream. Once the delivery stream is active, rerun the Python producer script from the previous step to publish records to the Kinesis stream. Firehose will automatically read these records, buffer them, and then deliver them to S3. Keep in mind that Firehose buffers data before delivery either until 5 megabytes of data is accumulated or 5 minutes have passed, whichever comes first. So it may take a few minutes for the records to appear in the S3 bucket. After a short wait, we can check S3 and confirm that the data has been successfully delivered from the Kinesis stream via Firehose. Next, let's explore an alternative approach, sending data directly to Firehose without using a Kinesis data stream. First, delete the existing Firehose delivery stream and create a new one. This time, set the source to direct put and the destination to Amazon S3. Give the delivery stream a name and choose the same S3 bucket as before. Before proceeding, let's also delete any existing files in the bucket so we can start with a clean slate. Once the new Firehose delivery stream is ready, we'll use another Python script. This script generates and sends 10 JSON records directly to the Firehose delivery stream named stream to S3. Each record contains an event ID, timestamp, and random value, and is sent with a 1-second delay between records. Let's run this script now. After a few minutes, check the S3 bucket again. And there it is, the Firehose delivery stream has successfully delivered the records directly to S3, confirming that the data flow is working as expected. This concludes our lab on orchestrating a data ingestion pipeline with Amazon Kinesis and Firehose. To avoid unnecessary charges, remember to delete any resources you created during this exercise, including data streams, Firehose delivery streams, and the S3 bucket contents. In this lab, you learned how to create a Kinesis data stream, publish data using Python, use Firehose to deliver data from a stream to S3, and send data directly to Firehose for ingestion. These building blocks are essential for designing scalable, real-time data pipelines in machine learning and analytics workflows.